Remember Chitti from the movie Robo, where Rajinikanth as Dr. Vaseem built a humanoid twin of himself? Back then, it felt too wild to be true, right? But what if that fiction could now be becoming a reality? Not exactly in the way that you think. Can you imagine what goes on in a patient's mind when they're lying on a hospital bed, just cut open and sewed back up like a rag doll, only to later realize that their surgery failed? You would not want to imagine that. Imagine a world where your doctor would know exactly how your body would react to a surgery without making a single incision or without you having to take a single pill and having to face all of those adverse side effects. So here's the tea about digital twins. Not a clone, not a robot, but a living, breathing data version of you built from your own X-ray ultrasound scans, your genetic data, and even that smartwatch you forget to keep charging. Think about it. Drug companies can now test new medicines and drugs on millions of digital twins before ever trying it on a real person. And here's the crazy part. Indian hospitals are now using digital twins to rehearse surgeries this way, which means that your digital twin might go under the knife before you ever have to. But this leaves us with a huge dilemma. 1. Who owns this data? 2. How much control should you have over your digital twin? 3. Is this worth the risk of data misuse? And will this tech really be accessible to everyone at some point? We now stand at the edge of a new era, one where your body could have its own digital backup. But here's my one final insight question for you to think about. Are digital twins the ultimate medtech breakthrough or a privacy nightmare waiting to happen? Drop your thoughts below. The full story is already brewing on LinkedIn. Stay tuned and stay curious until the next Shy drops next week. Bye-bye.